Hey guys, what is going on? It's your boy Clove, and not much of an intro today. We're trying paint pouring.
I feel you move me to another world.
You only live once. I'm basically making this as a gift for someone, and I saw this over on a channel called Tictus, and that guy is just like too good with the paint pouring, and I don't know if I'm gonna be half as good as him. Not even half. Like I first of all, I'm colorblind, so colors are a weak point. Then the next thing is I have zero experience in crafts because my mom did all of my projects back in school, but I have worn this paint splatter tee just to get in the vibe of painting here. So anyways, I'll leave a link in the description of Tictus's channel so you can check out what I was going for. I'm gonna start by prepping this chair. This chair is where I'm gonna do the paint pouring. So well, we've got a stack of newspapers. This looks better. The first thing you need when you want to do paint pouring is canvas, and I've got this 10 by 12 canvas from Venus, which is a local store. You need acrylic colors of any sort, and basically there's just one thing which is very important, is to have the colors in a slightly thinner form than what you get in these bottles. A slightly thinner form should do the trick, because acrylic colors are like supposed to dry really quickly, and you don't want that because you want them to nicely flow. So well, let's start. Paint pouring. So I've got a very shady setup. I've got the 700D here pointing right at it, so I can take a really nice angle on that. And I've stole this measuring cup from my mom's kitchen. And then we have the paints. It as the base paint, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this lime green as a base. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so thing to remember while doing this is you can't really go wrong. Like, every single design is unique to its own thing, and you just can't go wrong. But the only important thing is to, no matter how your design is, just make sure that all the corners are filled, because if the corners are not filled, it's gonna look shabby. And that just goes without saying. Someone like me who doesn't understand anything in arts and crafts can tell you that. So the paints I've chosen have written no medium needed on this side, so I don't know how it's gonna work out, but basically I've chosen white as my base. After white, I'm gonna put in chrome yellow. After that, it's gonna be purple. After that, it's gonna be ultramarine blue, and the last shade will be pink. I've put in some water because it is advised to keep some water, just so that it'll flow better. So I have done some extreme do-it-yourself shit. I've used a shot glass for the green, and I had a miniature set of Grey Goose bottles, so I used them to fill the colors when I'll need them for the pouring. So now I'm gonna add some water to each one so that I dilute it a little. Alright then, let's start. Alright, this is a one take, guys. Whatever happens, happens. Alright then, that's my paint. And I have no idea if it's good or bad. Holy shit, guys, I'm so excited. So before I show you all the final product, I just have to say that paint pouring can be done by absolutely anyone. Absolutely anyone. This is the easiest thing I've ever done in my life, and the abstract factor of it is just mind blowing. It looks so good. It is just amazing. Like, I am absolutely amazed that I have done that. Yeah, that's something unique done. You know, if you want to make a special gift for someone you love or someone who's really close to you, or just you want to gift something unique, not something materialistic, start pouring paint. Honestly, this is so good. This is amazing. Alright guys, so it is time for me to give my pour painting. She is the one who is receiving it. Oh my god, it just wants to focus on me. Yeah, she's receiving it. I made it for her. So well, yeah, I'm gonna quickly go inside and run and get the painting, and we're gonna get her reaction firsthand. We have it. Y'all can see it, but she can't. On my count, huh?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, open.
Oh my god. Look at the details. I don't know what to say.
First attempt.
I love this detailing. It gives such a beachy vibe.
Also, you have the gold here, and then
I love this
you know,
orange also.
kind of
Look at this, like it has a border of orange, and I love that.
Yeah. So Aarti, is it better than what you expected, or than you expected?
I wasn't expecting anything for the
To start with.
and then this is something like you can't really expect anything like your design or anything like that with this.
Yeah, but the thing, like,
But because like it's a pour paint, so like you don't expect anything.
yeah, man.
And the videos we saw, I like that because like it creates its own design,
Yeah, of
and
course,
I
every time.
love this design because like it's so attractive. Just look at it. How can you not be attracted towards this? I love these like blue patch. This is my favorite part because like it has a little like this here as well. Like it has those orange borders. And this is a little jellyfish. And like I love this. Like this is a proper beach vibe, you know. And I just love it. Like I love it.
Success, boys! Woo!